And the question is, being that you're a car guy, do you like to drive or do you like to be driven?
I like to drive.
You like to drive?
I love driving.
I hear you. I hear you.
love driving.
And another thing, automatic?
Stick.
Or
Stick.
no hesitation right there.
Stick.
He wants that stick.
Oh, yeah, man. I like the stick.
Good. I hear you. So, I know most of you may not know, but Lou Santiago may be, I don't know if we should leak it out or so forth.
Tell me.
Okay,
You're the one who
then you
knows
know
it.
what? Do you know what? We're going to make it happen here live. There's a big show event in Toronto. That's in Canada. Have you been to Canada?
I've been to Canada.
Canadian. The event is called Mega Speed, which is going to be on March 21st, 22nd, 23rd. There's going to be a lot of hot people and celebrities.
So I'm going.
You're going. I just made that deal. You're going.
Okay.
You're going to get the check in the mail.
Cool.
All right? So there you go. You heard it live. All Ends Magazine exclusive. Well, look, Lou's got a lot of people to see and stuff like that. We're not going to waste his time. We're going to head over to see Mob Steel. So
Ray
let's say bye to
as
Lou.
always.
No problem, my
It was
brother.
a
You take care.
slice.
Slice. We got to hit up later.
Bye.
Okay, take care.